And guess what? I found coal in our house.
Oh, that's nice.
And look, if you look at my thing, I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get a teleport ready.
I'm not that fast of a typer, but I'm pretty good. Okay, finish those two and I'm gonna teleport you.
Wait, not yet.
You can get over. No, you don't have stone. Hurry up, let me teleport.
Okay. I'm gonna go carve myself a stone pick and then I'll go back there. I don't have any stone. Give me some stone. Got myself some stone.
Oh, isn't this awesome? 3rd episode and we're getting iron already.
Yeah. I'm really fast at crafting.
Yeah, you are.
See you soon.
Oh, you mean me?
Yeah. So get a teleport ready. I don't feel like running and I don't want to die. Okay, I'm gonna find the safest, less kill myself way down here.
Did you get charcoal? You did.
Okay, I'm just gonna make like a ladder down. Here we go.
I'm lighting our house up.
That's good. We're architects already. That's amazing. I don't know about you, but I'm getting a lot of iron. I mean, this is a cave. I mean, all you see is like ores. Potentially some diamonds.
Oh, hurry up, get it all.
Okay, there's like a lot more. Whee! There should be like a little mining spot. Okay, let me see. Ooh, what's this place? Oh yeah, I'm laying that out. Yep. So that's pretty much it. Oh, you got some steak for me?
Yeah, that's yours. Can you go out and kill some more stuff?
Yeah. Wait, did you take my raw turkey thing?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, okay. Let me. I need to make some good weaponry.
Yeah, and get some sheep out while you're at it. I want to expand our house. Because we want a big house. I like living in mountains. Don't you think? It's pretty cool living in a mountain.
I mean, I don't feel like filling applications for all that stuff, so I prefer just digging a hole in a mountain and just walk away from all that real estate stuff.
That's hard work.
Yes.
It's a lot of work.
Too much work. Those real estate agents make something simple seem very hard.
I don't really say it's really hard. I'd say they're nice, because my dad's girlfriend is one. Don't be mean.
Hello, sheepy. Oh, I killed the sheep. Hey, sheep. I did not kill your friend.
And he didn't give us anything.
Whoops.
What, did you kill like a pig and a sheep at the same time? Because if you did, that would have been awesome.
Dun 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 dun. Pig killing montage. Okay, get a teleport ready, cause I'm like, ooh, cow. Come here, beef squad.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's a creeper. Hello, Mr. Creepy Face. I'm out of here. That was scary. What's my... Oh, shift. Well... My computer just like restarted, so... I have to switch my controls up. Yes, got the steak. Come here, my beefy friend. Swing the sword.
I think this is a big enough house.
So yeah, so far in day 1.
No, we used the thing, remember?
Oh yeah. So far this is a good
Day 2.
Yes, day 2 is very good. Yeah, so we're gonna be starting episode
3, I think.
3 soon. Okay. See you soon.
Yeah, episode 3.